Thank God my live streaming is working again. Thank God it's working again. So the last test I did worked. So back to me live streaming. What's up, guys? I'm sure nobody's awake at this hour, so good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're watching this. The best play I've made all week is code 7. The code 7 token and the 7 share token have just been very successful, and so successful I'm getting a little scared. I might pull out because fear of a big drop. I did buy ape token, which goes against everything I stand for, but I did buy some ape token, even though what is the market cap of ape token now? It's probably over 5 billion. Or was there a massive sell-off? So ape USDT trading view. It's on an uptrend now after it hit a bottom, but this thing's so new, and every airdrop recipient, well, those who owned the original Bored Ape, they got $100,000 worth of ape. So I'm not sure what the others got. Let's look at this. Let's pin this. Bookmark bar. So yeah, that's an uptrend. Found the bottom. Or not. It could go a lot lower. But people who got that airdrop and sold it up here, whoo, they made a lot. So it's back up 25% in 2 days. That's not really moving much. Hopefully the sells are gone. The largest sells are gone. Fantom, ever since Bitcoin found the bottom and the market kind of found the bottom, Fantom has been going back up against Bitcoin. So this is good. This is good news. Let me grab my phone just in case. Actually, I have 2 monitors now, so I can see if there's anyone in here talking by popping this out, pulling it over here, back to the charts. So Fantom against USDT on the weekly, still in a downtrend there. But when I say in the title that there are the right ingredients for Altseason, that's exactly what I mean. Bitcoin dominance has made its third lower high. 1, 2, 3. Technically, it's third lower low. 1, 2, 3. So it's plausible that it comes down to about 38.5, which is good. Back under that 40% line would be good. Good for the market. That's one condition of Altseason, is that Bitcoin dominance needs to be going down. But Bitcoin also can't be crashing at the time. So it's good to see Bitcoin dominance going down and Bitcoin itself heading up. It found bottom as well. Let's see here. Let's get rid of this junk. Yeah, it found bottom as well. And this is what Fantom looks like against Bitcoin. It's kind of a cool parallel. But we've got higher highs, higher lows. Things are looking decent for the day, for the past couple days. For the past week, maybe 2 weeks, it's been looking good. Code 7 has been making most of my portfolio right now. It's been the top mover by a long shot. So it's getting to the point I'm a little scared. It's 1.81. It's not crazy overpeg. The APR is not it's over 3,000%. Farming, just farming APR. You don't even got to lock in the boardroom. Farming is 6% daily APR, and I think it's going to do very well in my opinion. In my opinion, it's just scary when the coins you're holding go up way too fast. So I am taking profit. Oh wait, one of my best pieces of advice is to always keep 50% profit in USDC. Always. Unless you have like a really good job or whatever and you have a lot of cash flow coming in that you can always buy the dips with. But you know, if your crypto portfolio is, you know, what you set aside for crypto and you don't plan on or can't inject more money whenever it's needed, then I really suggest keeping 50% USDC at all times. The only time you should have less than 50% is when we're at rock bottom and you're using some of that USDC to buy the dip with. Anyhoozle, I bought ApeCoin. I'm not sure if I mentioned that at the beginning of the stream. I bought ApeCoin, which is, I don't know, probably a dumb move, but Dogecoin made millionaires. Shiba made millionaires. I feel the same way about Ape. It's one of the meme coins that might just go ballistic. Oh yeah, I wanted to see the market cap of Ape. And I want to show you guys 7 share and code 7 because the gains are ridiculous with the APR and the compounding interest. It's just been wild. Okay, so Ape coin. All right, OBS did that disconnect thing. Maybe I'll just have to stream from my old laptop. It never gave me this problem. However, ApeCoin, I guess it started off around 5 billion. Now it's down to 3.3 billion. Market cap is up 10% today. Ooh, circulating supply is only 28%. Where's the white paper? Because I need to see. Let's see what this is all about. Collectibles, NFTs, content creation, gaming. It's going to be a big coin. It's going to be a big coin. So I just want to get in early. You know, I'm glad I waited until after it dumped. I don't think I reconnected. I think I'm disconnected. Okay, I'm connected. Cool, cool, cool. All right, so the code 7 chart. Code 7. Nah. Yeah, I'm not sure. I have my boardroom unlocked because the price has been mooning way too much. This code 7. This is basically the tomb, the scarab, the 2 ohm, the 3 ohm asset, not the share asset. This is what I've been earning over 3,000% APR in, and it's up 127% in 9 days. And then get a load of 7 share since it found bottom. Word of advice: if you're ever getting into tomb forks, you don't jump in right away unless you're in Genesis and you have Genesis tokens. Don't get in right away. Wait for the bottom to come in. So it's gone up 683% in 9 days. While staking this, single stake earns you code 7, which has gone up a lot. So it's pretty crazy. I'll show you. I only put a couple $100 in to code 7, and now I should just at least take half off the table, and I might switch to just LPing, because with these protocols, the drop comes at any time. Any little problem could happen. Or I'll just YOLO and just keep compounding that interest. It's doing great. Maybe I should sell now and wait for a capitulation, but it might not happen. It might just keep blowing up. That APR is attractive. It's a great coin so far. And you do have to wait. Like, there's fake out bottoms here. You do have to wait at least. Let's see what this was from launch until there truly was a bottom on code 7. So that was 12 days. So that's when you should have, started accumulating. But the APR was ridiculous back here too. And then if we look at 7 share, there was a fake out. You could have thought that was bottom, could have thought that was bottom. And then there went the real bottom. So you kind of have to do math and know tokenomics to figure out where bottom should be within a range. It's a field, it's not a number. R share is up 42%. Rarest is up 10%. That's such an interesting project to me. Rarer, and rarest. I have no idea what they're doing. I looked into it a little bit. Pretty neat. That's a huge buy. Let's take a look at. Don't put in a lower low. I mean a lower high. Bitcoin looking great. Looking great. That's on the weekly. Looking great on the daily too. Lots of reason to be bullish right now. Bitcoin dominance heading down where it belongs. Bitcoin dominance down. Bitcoin flat or up are two of the biggest ingredients for the recipe of Altseason. As you can see, Fantom's going up against Bitcoin. Hey Violet, how you doing? Yeah, it does disconnect and reconnect still, but at least I'm live. It's 3:39 a.m. here. I'm up early. I'm sick, but I was feeling so much worse. So I'm starting to feel better. Just look at this though. Earning ridiculous amount of money in code 7. Still 1.81 over peg. I got in when this was 1 million. Now it's 3.34. That's crazy. The chart just keeps going up, which is crazy. Not code 7. Yeah, code 7 keeps going up too, but you should sell all the code 7 that you earn or put it in the farm. I got a big farm. The farm's making me more APY than the staked 7 share in the boardroom. However, the 7 share is giving me more profit growth. Overall, market's looking good. Is it a fake out? I don't know. Is there a lot of things going on in the world? Yes, sir. Do a lot of people say financial turmoil on the financial hardship on a global scale? Some people say financial hardship on a global scale will lead to a crash in crypto. But I think if it has to do with the fiat money system, I don't know. I think a lot of people are looking at crypto now that never looked at crypto before. And yeah, I'd say be careful entering code 7. That's a long way up without us. It did have corrections. I mean, it really did. It went from, it dropped 74%. So that was a lot of sells. A lot of people got rid of it then. It's important to get the big sellers out. This one dropped 45%. So it's all a matter of perspective here. This one dropped 23%. That one's probably about 15. That one's probably about 10. So they're getting smaller as they go up. So perhaps it's going to keep flying. I don't know, but I am lean as it goes up. I'm leaning more towards farms. The farm rather than the boardroom. The code 7 Fantom farm pays more. It's been making me more than the boardroom. However, 7 share is where all the value is captured. That's the essence. That's what you want to collect. And that prints more code 7. So I hope this project is successful. I really do. I talked to the founder before he even launched it. I was going to be part of his team, but I was just too busy with other things. Turns out I wish I was part of the team and chose to work with him on code 7. It's backed by real estate. It's strange. Read into it. It's not strange in a bad way. It's awesome. ApeCoin I'm going to hold on to for at least a year, maybe just forever. I didn't buy a lot, but enough. I bought enough. It's already a $3.3 billion asset. I just think there might be perks involved with holding. Even though I can't stand Ethereum, I am going to send it from my Coinbase to my MetaMask on the Ethereum mainnet. Because perhaps if perks come out, only people who are self-custodying ApeCoin will get it. That's how it often works, because they can't really airdrop to people on exchanges. It's hard. It's crazy how they got all the top exchanges on day one. It's ridiculous. It's crazy. And Fantom's right around the corner. I've been saying that for a year. Fantom's right around the corner. Leveraging DeFi incentives to build a community-governed real estate portfolio. By the way, I have half of my 7 share just sitting in my wallet. My boardroom is unlocked, and I have most of it in the LP. So if prices were to start taking a dump, I can pull out of the boardroom with no lock. I can pull out of the farm with no lock, and I can sell my 7 share from my wallet with no lock, and my code 7 with no lock. But I think it's gonna do all right. It is growing pretty fast. They got a nice community going on. I will link I can't. I'm live. I'll link it in the description. I can add it later. Yeah, I'll link Code 7's documentation in the description. It's the same as any tomb fork, really. But the documentation shows you all about how it's backed by real estate. Code 7 Realty. Step 1 is finding ideal multifamily assets to invest in with the liquidity of the protocol. And we all know housing prices are going to keep going up, and housing is one of the most profitable, especially multifamily. So it says a property valued at 6 or 7 million would allow Code 7 Realty to purchase the asset with a loan to value of 75 to 80%, meaning a total initial outlay of 1.5 to 1.75 million using a conventional commercial loan. OBS, you're killing me. The most desirable property would be one with a high value and opportunities. This consists of a property that has below market rents, one that could use capital improvements to make the units more appealing to renters, which in return will yield a higher monthly rent and ROI. See, I don't like hiking rents up on people. I don't know about that. So what do? You look for apartment complexes for sale with tenants living in it, paying what, $500 a month to live there, when the average rent in that area is $1,000. So you're gonna come in, buy it up, and tell people the rent's gone up to $900. Is that what is that what this is? I hope that's not the case. I don't want to be a part of that. I don't know if I want to be a part of that. ApeCoin, though, I feel like I definitely do want to be a part of that. I feel like this can go to hundreds of billions of dollars. Just because this is the first airdrop Eminem's ever gotten. This is the first airdrop like all these celebrities have ever gotten or received. I mean, who knows what's gonna happen here? Hopefully found the bottom. Only, 25%. 27% in 2 days and 8 hours. It was higher. 35% in 2 days and 30 minutes. But we don't need to go over what you guys can see on the charts already. Let's see. Yeah, this keeps pushing higher and higher. It's crazy. And even this, look at this. Like, the drop from there to there was 18%. So it does have these major pullbacks, but gets bought up right away. I don't know, man. I guess if I feel any sort of, I don't know, scared money don't make money, though, right? By the way, don't invest what you can't afford. Don't invest money you're going to need for rent, ever, or anything like that. I might just compound the code 7 that I earned into more 7 share. Take the 7 share I earned from the LP along with the 7 share in my wallet and lock it in for another 32 hours. Oh my God, it's so scary to 32 because you know what can happen in crypto in 32 hours. I'll definitely make the smart move here. Taking profit. It's probably the smart move here. Soon after I take a profit, I bet it will capitulate, come back down to maybe 150, maybe all the way down, could come back down a lot. And then if I still think the project is worth investing in, I will buy some more. I hope everyone's doing good out there with your investments. I really do. The market's been good for the past couple weeks, but it's been volatile and hard for some people for the past couple of months. That's why I urge you to join my Telegram. It's t.me/the Crypto Lodge. No shilling. Nice, cool, peaceful group. You know, just like my thumbnails and titles, I don't clickbait. I don't even turn on AdSense. So, my opinion is not biased here. I have no sponsors. If you like the content, and if you like that kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe to the channel, which really helps me. And turn on the bell notification, because sometimes I got some gems to drop. I posted code 7 a couple of days ago. If you know, sometimes I got gems to drop.